Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss different measures of central tendency. First of all, what is mean by central tendency? Assume an attribute. Suppose X is an attribute like salary of an employee. We have n number of employees. Observe all the employee salaries X1, X2, X3 and so on Xn. Now, if we draw a plot for all these observations, then we can identify where all the data values falls. That concept leads to the central tendency. Clear? That is where the set of values are false. So the different measures of central tendency are mainly we have three methods. One is the mean, the second one is the median, and the third one is the mode. These are the three methods coming one by one. What is the mean? In the simple sense, sum of all the observations by total number of observations. Simply the average of all the data points. Simply this mean gives the summary of the data set. So we already know x1, x2, xn are the n observations. Simply the mean is x1 plus x2 and so on xn divided by n. This is called mean. The average of all the data points also represented sigma xi by n. I is equal to 1 to n. This is the mean. For example, we have three numbers 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. 6 by 3, 2. 2 is the median. 2 is the mean. This is the way to calculate the mean. Okay. Next, what is the median? Median in the sense simply the middle value in a sorted data set. I given some set of data. The middle value in the sorted data set is called median. For example, we have some numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, whatever the numbers. Now, what is the median of this number? If you observe 3, 4, 5, 6, first I will write down some odd numbers. What is the median? So this part. Here 7 is called median. Got it? 7 is called median. Simply that is represented xn plus 1 by 2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the middle value xn plus 1 by 2. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 in the sense 4. So the answer is x4. What is x4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called median. Clear? Suppose if the number of elements are even. Okay. Now what is the median? Simply the average of middle two values. So xn by 2 plus xn by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So xn by 2 means 5. Xn by 2 plus 1 means 7. 5 plus 7 that is 12. 12 by 2 6. So 6 is called median. Now got it? The median is if it is odd number, simply the middle term is the median. If it is even, the average of middle two values is called median. Okay, median is also clear. Mode. What is the mode? The most repeated number. Mode is the most frequently repeated observation is called mode. For example, I have some set of numbers 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 6. Now what is the mode? Here each and every number is repeated one time. So this is called zero mode. That means for all the observations, mode is not at all compulsory. Zero mode means, so there is no mode in the set of observations. Obviously one mode means, for example 3. If you observe carefully, among all these, the only number 3 is repeated 2 times. So what is the mode of this one? The mode is 3. So there is a chance of 2 modes. For example 2. If you observe carefully, 2 is repeated 2 times. 3 is also repeated 2 times. So 2 numbers are repeated highest and same number of times. That means for these examples, we have 2 modes. Like this, any number of modes are there for the given observations. Now, If you understand all these carefully based on either mean, median and mode, so how the remaining data values falls with respect to that mean, with respect to median, with respect to mode, so that leads to central tendency of the given data set. This is different measures. Thank you.